Salutations, everyone! This is a Preston Condra production.
Sponsored by Edgar Alkaiser from Austin, Texas. She is the current Mission Pro Cup holder, Lady Bird.
Lady Bird Monica Monroe doing again at ringside by the Reality Wrestling Women's Champion, Kaya Dream. Kaya, this is a huge match for Monica Monroe.
Let's get it.
The Lionsault is coming.
The Lionsault, there we go.
She's measuring her space. She's doing it safely. Lionsault, baby! And covers 1, 2.
Extra power, a little bit of extra oomph behind the next strike. And Lady Bird, Lionsault, cover middle of the ring to advance in the tournament.
That's a long way away, but the Moonsault connects in the center, cover here. Middle rope, impeccable balance. Great athleticism. Cover here for Lady Bird. Mission Pro Cup.
Oh, hold on a second. Lady Bird has Amira in position and clearing the runway.
Great spot here for Lady Bird. Oh, Moonsault, the cover here. And still, Mission Pro Cup holder.
Here is your winner.
Renkowski, and now Lady Bird makes her way in there, standing Moonsault, going for the pin. Is this it? No.
On the way down, and now Lady Bird from the top. Bird's eye view. Connects flush.
High and tight.
Advance in the tournament. Lady Bird moves on.
Can finally do, but Rache showing that impressive athleticism, only to find herself getting a cutter from Lady Bird Monroe, and now she's going in for the cover.
Lady Renkowski.
Behind.
Lady Bird gonna take this one up and brought down. Lady Bird with the cutter, In onto Lady Bird Monroe, but up to the middle rope. Got her with the crossbody. Got Holodead rocked off the middle rope. Brought down with the crossbody.
Pressure to Promise Braxton in every contest that she finds herself in.
I feel like Promise Braxton's pressure has always been.
Cover 1, 2, and a
As grasping at opportunity is a hard thing to do, but the slip.
Elbow from Lady Bird to Rache now.
Lady Bird Monroe, a house of fire.
Oh my God.
And the acrobatics here from the tactile.
By Lady Bird.
That has made Lady Bird Monroe. Boy, nice. Whoa, that's that gymnastics background.
And that's exactly how it started, Sammy, a fight.
It just shows that reality of wrestling isn't just
Wow. That championship.
Look at that.
whoa.
Anybody's capable of doing it definitely is Lady Bird Monica Monroe. You see, look at that.
After that kick, here comes the cover. Could this be it for Maya World? Look at that, there's the gymnastics background.
And
as she
going
now
in
catches over the kick. Now for the victory here.
Put a stopper in any momentum that Carly Bride was starting to build up. This has been, Lady
There's
Bird
the
right
gymnastics there that we talked about as Monica Monroe was just a split second away.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful maneuver. Undisputed Diamonds Championship at the Summer of Champions.
Yes, and I actually was talking to Promise Braxton in the back, and she was talking about how she is just focused.
Bird snapmare out of the corner. Continuing to wear down Amira, and a drop. All a dead, straight vertical.
Oh, but Lady Bird out from. Whoa.
Wow. DDT plants out on the canvas. This is an opportunity to create a little bit of distance.
Drives her face to the knee. The thrust kick sends her down. And the DDT plants Rache Chanel.
Into the cover.
No matter how painful that knee is feeling right now. Oh my goodness gracious.
Whoa. No.
Whoa.
The hell, able to reverse it. Turning it into a power slam, perhaps? No.
On the top of the crown.
And Lady Bird is fire up, but no, she stops it. Oh, she's coming for backflip. That's a nice, strong slam.
Lady Bird now making the climb.
Oh, that is a long way down for everyone involved. But Lady Bird's gonna take the risk. Hurricane Rana from the heavens. Lady Bird in for the cover, the win.
Tag team champions for a reason. One of the best here at Row.
Oh, and now Lady Bird.
Look at showing. Oh, bottom fell out. Lady Bird, good God.
She could slot herself in Promise's shoes and try and challenge for the Diamonds Division Championship at the Summer of Champions.
Oh, geez. Right on the back of the neck of Promise bags to cover 1, 2. Lady Bird almost. But Bird Vixen is no slouch. People of Fort Worth should, like I said.
And of course, Kaya Dream will be defending her title.
Missed the designer boots.
There you go.
Amira charges.
Both up top.
By a clothesline, she finds a clothesline from Lady Bird and then
Fly by Lady Bird. Back elbow.
But Lady Bird cuts her off.
Money, the Millwood.
Back elbow.
Find her opening. We talked about.
I'll say this. She was part of the same.
See happen. And now Monica Monroe.
All are dead.
Yeah. Mind games continuing to be played.
Monroe showing off her athleticism.
But was that too much showmanship, Kurt?
athletic, and she needs to fly like a bird tonight.
We'll talk about athleticism. Look at Carly Bright right there, showing off that
Cover here.
background.
Monica Monroe able to reverse it though. Now the Carly Bright shoulder in the corner. Carly, she's got her up. She's rolled her through. The shoulders are down. Monica Monroe in trouble, but no, she manages to counter here.
That momentum.
This down, sunset flip covers 1, 2, nothing. Runs to the ropes.
Oh my God!
That's how you
Ingenious way to pin. Oh my God!
Now the question is taking it to the next step when the pressure's on.
Experience edge that a bougie reality does, or even a men's revolution. But nonetheless,
Have here at Mission Pro Wrestling.
absolutely 100%. Everybody in that Mission Pro is making a good showing as a tag team.
Capri and Spark the World, they have spent a lot of time together. Watch out. Oh,
that spot on top of.
Paxton physically and mentally in this ring.
Look at that. She's showing off with that right there.
Both of the women involved in this contest. Suplex.
As Lady Bird pops Amira on the top rope. And
Could be looking at something devastating here for Amira.
very, very high risk.
Amira, look at the balance, flipping forward. Ooh.
Went for the sunset flip powerbomb and able to scoop up Lady Bird. The strength of Amira.
Cover here, hook in the inner leg.
Lady Bird Monroe catches her.
Wait a minute. What are they looking for here? Lady Bird taken to the skies. Gigi Ray though.
I feel it.
oh my gosh.
Kalia Capri just went flying.
New champs, new champs.
1, 2, 3, and no. Are we gonna see new champions?
Oh my gosh, that's it. The Money Birds have got Jada right there.
Wait a minute. Gigi up top. What is she doing? Oh, man.
Was
Cover.
it flush though? Was it
1,
flush?
2, well, you know what? She's on dream streak right now. And now Kalia Capri gets a missile drop kick to the face.
And and Lady coming in, Rochelle Chanel.
Lady Bird is like, I'm tired of your crap, and she turns around and covers her. Nope.
Hung up.
Amira out of the corner. Oh.
Eventually behind.
Her own thing going as a single.
Bird wants to give it up here in the first round of this tournament.
Oh, but able to get a better position here from Lady Bird. 2 count.
To be able to get it done against some of the caliber of Carly Bright. God.
Oh, she's just bending her like a pretzel into the cover here. Oh, there it goes. Carly Bright got it.
I feel like when it comes.
Dang.
Lady Bird this.
Done it before. One time I was in Mexico City. I was, oh my God, she just went to the top.
Not able to get physically involved, but
It's like she's going for a cento. No.
taking flight tonight in San Antonio. Oh, it's the direct message.
Cross. Here she goes. Oh, girl. That's right. And the lasso and all. Girl. Bird Vixen ain't gonna have none of that. Got her. She's on her back. Backpack stop.
That both of these women share.
Oh, there's no need.
Why didn't you respect her before?
I mean, I did. Well,
Wait a minute, hold on.
Reality of the Wrestling Women's Champion!
Try to get a medical update on Malik Bow City as soon as we can.
You know what they say. Preston, please.